Welcome. In front of me I have OnePlus Nord 2 5G from European distribution, and today we'll find what you can find inside box. I will check if the phone has a charger, case, some kind of the earbuds, and maybe some additional accessories. So let's open it. Okay, and let's take it off. So here we have a smartphone. We are going to beg for that smartphone, so be patient. And here we can find silicone case with nice grip. And here we'll probably find some kind of the paper instruction. Yeah, here it is. Dear friend, quick guide, and safety information. Okay, that's nice. Let's put it here. And there's also the SIM tool. And that's all from here. Also, we can find the 65 warp charge and the signature red cable. It's for sure the USB-C cable. And that's all from the box. Right now we can check if the smartphone comes with factory installed screen protection. So let's remove this plastic foil. Let's put it back. And yes, here we have the screen protection. Let me just zoom in a little bit to show you. As you can see, here we got very thin foil that protect our screen, so you don't have to be afraid of any scratches. But if you want to protect your smartphone in a better way, you can definitely get some kind of the tempered glass. And let's check how the case looks when we put it on. Okay, as you can see, this case cover edges. There's nice touch when we press on the buttons. Here we got this signature switcher for the OnePlus. It looks almost the same like on the iPhone. Here we got the speaker, USB-C port. Okay, let's turn on the smartphone and let me zoom out. Okay, let's press the power key. Okay, right now it works. And I wonder if it comes with Android 12, but probably not. I bet that we will have here the Android 11. So let's make the quick start. I'm going to set it up offline. Oh, there is nice haptic vibration. We can also apply our fingerprint. I'm going to skip this one. And also I'm not going to enroll my face. I'm going to set it up later. So let's get the quick start. Yeah, here we got the gestures that we can use. There's the quick guide of the gestures. Let's make with the normal navigation bar at the bottom. And there it is. Let's check the information about the system. So as you can see there, we have the Android 11 on the phone. And here we have the Easter egg of the Android 11 on the smartphone. So basically that's all. As you can see in this smartphone from the European distribution, you can find the charger, the 65 watt charger, that's really fast. The case, smartphone comes with factory installed screen protection, signature cable, and some kind of the paperwork like safety information, quick guide, and this dear friend, we can call it leather or something like that, from the Nord team. So yeah, the phone looks like that. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.